welcome back to today's video. If this is your first time, just know that this channel is dedicated to hair and makeup, and if that's your thing, please stick around and hit the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. Alright, so in today's video, it's supposed to be short. We are going to do a high puff tutorial. I'm just gonna zhuzh it up with like something that goes up like this. I just like to mention that my hair is between type 4A and 4B, and I'm transitioning from relaxed hair to natural, hence the thinner ends that you guys see. So what you're gonna need a styling gel, a parting comb, some rubber bands, some pins for our puff, and moisturizer, or you can use oil if you prefer oils. Oh, guys, I forgot, I need hair ties as well. Okay, I have my 4 hair ties, aka ribbons, hair bands, whatever you prefer. So first up, we're going to do a middle part across our head like this. And I'm just going to tie back of the hair. And now I'm gonna part like this. And then I'm gonna tie this. A disclaimer, guys, I am thinking as I go along. And untie this. I'm also gonna braid this to make sure that it doesn't get mixed up with the rest of the hair. And with the puff, guys, like, the drier your hair, if you're transitioning, the better, especially if you don't have a lot of growth. And with that I mean, if your natural hair is not as thick yet. You're going to use stockings to create the puff, and the stockings locks nicely with dry hair. So, all right, and then I'm gonna take my other hair tie. I'm using the Soft and Freestyling gel. I like to put it on the parted line like this, and I'm gonna go in with a parting comb to make the line more defined. This section here, I'm going to divide that into 2 parts, and I'm going in with the styling gel around. This helps with making sure that it's sleeked down. And then I'm gonna twist the hair, the rubber band, and tie it. And then with the second section, again, put on styling gel around. We're going to take this hair and twist it up part the second hair like this and then put it in here and then close it up like this and twist this hair. Oopsie. Twist this hair. Take a rubber band and tie it all up. Here, you're going to take a potting comb and then do the same for the section, styling gel. We part this like this and then we twist the hair before we shove it in here, close it up, and we twist, and then we take a rubber band and after tying it up, separate the hair and just push down the rubber band downwards. It's just to make sure that it's all tightened and secure. We do the rest of this hair. There you go. Right, so I'm gonna do the other side, this side, and then I'll come back when I do the puff. Okay guys, so it started raining and hopefully the lighting contrast is not too bad. Alright, so I've done the side here, the side we have this, and now we are going to create our puff. So here I have cut on black stockings and it's stretching up until here, and then I'm going to go at the back like this, and then I start moving from the back and tightening from the front. So I'm going to leave it here and then I'm going to tie it. Yes, so this is how it looks. And then now I'm going to pin this like this. I need just a comb just to tidy it up. Where the hairpins are gonna come in handy. And then just clean up any flyaways with the styling gel. Alright, so let me go get my makeup done and then I'll come back with the final look. So this is the final look, guys. I'm absolutely in love with this accessory. I think I got it at Mr. Price, yeah. But yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you love it? Are you feeling it? What's up? And guys, please don't be shy to let me know if there's any hairstyles you come across on Insta or the net, Twitter, whatever. If you'd like me to try out, please just tag me. I'll leave my social media handles at the end of the video. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much. I love you guys and see you guys in the next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.